Hi, I'm Michael Santos, founder of Prism Professors, and together with my collaborator, Ryan Salem, I just want to thank you for being a part of our community. I want to thank our sponsors, whitecollaradvice.com and Righting Wrongs Law Firm, that provide the resources for us to develop this course on the digital economy. We're big believers that people have to invest in themselves and create opportunities to prosper when they come out of prison. Sometimes they're going to come out of prison, they're not going to find a friendly job market, and if they don't understand how the digital economy works, they may not be as ready as they could be. And that's the reason behind our work. We really stand behind this pathway of personal development, and we offer that in our first course, introductory course, called Preparing for Success After Prison, which is used in federal prisons across the nation. This is a masterclass on the digital economy, and I'm going to continue reading with lesson number 11 on this course. And today we're going to be talking about altcoins, the utility and diversity of alternative cryptocurrencies. So, thanks to help from my mentor, I have been learning a great deal about the digital economy, especially about blockchain and cryptocurrency. It is our hope that regardless of what challenges the prison system presents, people in our audience will always use time to prepare for the digital economy. This strategy of continuous learning and finding mentors empowered me through 26 years in prison, and I'm confident that it can help others too. Besides building a portfolio that would include Bitcoin, I was motivated by Ryan's early investment into FTT, a token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Before going into those more speculative investments, I would need to learn more about altcoins, and in these lessons, I'll share what I'm learning. While Bitcoin pioneered the digital currency landscape, a multitude of alternative coins, or altcoins, have emerged, each offering unique functionalities, innovations, and solutions to the limitations of Bitcoin. This lesson will explore the diverse world of altcoins, highlighting their enhanced utility, specific functions, and the roles they play in expanding the blockchain ecosystem. The purpose of altcoins. Developers created altcoins as alternatives to Bitcoin. They could become platforms and tokens that offer enhanced features, including improved scalability, privacy, security, and more. Like the token FTT, which we wrote about in previous lessons, altcoins served specific functions and addressed various challenges within the cryptocurrency space. For example, altcoins offered transaction speed, smart contract capabilities, and decentralized finance applications. A speculative market existed for each of these coins. Below, I'll describe some of the more notable coins. Once I understand more about each coin, I'll describe in the lessons I'll write about my purchase. For now, I'll input the price of each coin as I write this lesson on Tuesday morning, February the 20th, 2024. That way, we'll have a reference point when I began to make more speculative purchases. With any investment, it is important to remember that an asset was only truly worth what the next person would be willing to pay for it. Those prices fluctuated over time. With cryptocurrencies, investors should expect volatility. For that reason, people should begin with an investment strategy that includes an acceptable percentage of net worth, with an understanding that values could drop to zero. The prices quoted come from my account on Coinbase on February the 20th, 2024 at 3:46 in the morning when I was writing this lesson. At this time, at that specific time, Bitcoin was trading at $52,336.49, which was the highest price since I began acquiring cryptocurrencies on January 31st, 2024, when the coins traded at $44,843.95. So what are some of the altcoins? Let's discuss Binance Coin, BNB. That time it was trading at $358.08. It initially launched as a utility token for the Binance exchange. BNB has expanded its use cases to include transaction fee discounts, participation in token sales, and more. Another altcoin is ADA, also known as Cardano, which was trading at 63 cents when I wrote this lesson. With a strong emphasis on security and sustainability, Cardano introduces a proof-of-stake blockchain aiming for scalability and interoperability in the DeFi ecosystem. Chainlink, under the symbol LINK, was trading at $19.61. It's a decentralized Oracle network that bridges the gap between smart contracts and real-world data, enabling smart contracts to interact with external information. Then there was Cosmos, which trades under the symbol ATOM, and it was trading for $10.52. Like Polkadot, Atom focuses on interoperability, enabling different blockchains to communicate and share information seamlessly. Dogecoin, that traded at 0.0874 cents on that day. It originally created as a joke. Thanks to support from Elon Musk, Dogecoin has garnered a massive following and is used for tipping and charitable donations, showcasing the community aspects of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, ETH, that was trading at $2,932.28 with the day that I wrote this lesson. It was pioneering smart contracts and dApps, as we've covered in previous lesson. Ethereum has established itself as a foundational platform for DeFi projects and NFTs, offering a wide range of applications beyond simple transactions. Litecoin, also trading as LTC, it was trading at $70.57. Introduced as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and a higher total supply, aiming to be more practical for everyday transactions. Monero is XMR, was trading at $119.35. Prioritizing privacy, these cryptocurrencies offer enhanced anonymity features, making transactions untraceable. Then there's Polkadot, which trades under the symbol DOT, and it was trading for $7.83. It focuses on interoperability, enabling different blockchains to communicate and share information seamlessly. Ripple trades it under the symbol XRP, and on the day I recorded this lesson was trading at 57 cents a coin. It focused on revolutionizing cross-border payments. Ripple aims to make international transactions faster, more secure, and less costly. Solana trades under the symbol SOL, and that was trading at $110.24. It was known for its incredible speed and scalability. Solana supports thousands of transactions per second at a lower cost, making it an attractive platform for building fast and efficient dApps. Another one is altcoin. Another altcoin is Zcash, trades under ZEC. It was trading at $25.32. As with Monero, Zcash is a cryptocurrency that puts an enhanced emphasis on anonymity features, making transactions untraceable. There are many other altcoins and tokens available, and in upcoming lessons, we'll continue to elaborate on these digital assets with hopes of helping people learn more about the digital economy. Altcoins contribute significantly to the innovation and evolution of the cryptocurrency world and the digital economy. They experiment with new technologies, governance models, and use cases, pushing the boundaries of what's possible within the blockchain ecosystem. For users, developers, and investors, altcoins provide a landscape rich with opportunities for exploration, investment, and development. Now, looking ahead, as we journey further into the altcoin universe in upcoming lessons, we'll explore each of these cryptocurrencies in details with a dedicated lesson for each one that I mentioned, uncovering the technology behind them, their use cases, and their potential to reshape the future of finance, governance, and digital interaction. In the next lesson, for example, I'm going to discuss the Binance coin, BNB, in more detail. And I'll always update my investment strategy so that you can follow along on how I'm using these tools to develop my future. So I'm holding on to the 4 Bitcoins in my account, but I've paused my purchasing for a little while we move closer to the halving. Now on Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024, at 4:01 a.m. Pacific time, the price of Bitcoin settled at $52,301.06 a coin. My total investment in Bitcoin as of that date, on February the 19th, 2024, was $192,202.76. The total holdings of 4 Bitcoins had a market value on that day of $209,206.40, which led to a profit of $17,003.64, $17,003.64 if I would have sold the coin. Okay? I'm not selling the coins. Now, as a disclaimer, as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving anybody financial advice. I'm simply striving to show you that in order for you to profit in the digital economy, to build businesses around the digital economy, it's super important that you invest in yourself first. First, you've got to understand the language. You've got to understand the applications. You've got to understand the market value. You definitely have to understand the volatility. These are highly speculative investments. For people who want to participate in the digital economy with a full understanding that any investment is only worth what the next person will pay for it. As I wrote in our introductory course, Preparing for Success After Prison, I want you to develop your own plan. Don't live by my plan. You've got to develop your own plan, and then you've got to execute that plan. And that execution should begin by working through the digital economy and making sure that you understand different concepts, such as how would you respond to these 3 critical thinking questions that I conclude every lesson with, right? In this lesson, here are the 3 critical thinking questions. How do the specific features and utilities of altcoins influence their adoption and integration into the broader digital economy? Number 2, considering the diverse functionality of altcoins, how can they complement Bitcoin in creating a more inclusive and efficient blockchain ecosystem? And number 3, what role do altcoins like Solana and Dogecoin play in demonstrating the versatility and community aspects of cryptocurrencies? Now, I ask you to participate in this course in an active way by memorializing and documenting the different ways that you are preparing for success upon release. That's the reason that we created Prison Professor's Talent, to help more people begin memorializing all the ways that they are working to pursue excellence and to emerge successfully with their dignity intact. If you memorialize your journey on Prison Professor's Talent, I can use your profile as I work to advocate for concepts like federal work release programs, furloughs, and other types of concepts that incentivize a pursuit of excellence. So if you want to participate, make sure that you send an email to interns@prisonprofessorstalent.com. In the subject line, write Digital Economy Course, and then start memorializing your journey. If you don't have access to email, just send it through the regular mail to Prison Professors, care of Digital Economy Course, at 32565 Golden Lantern, Suite B as in boy, -1026, Dana Point, California, 92629. Of course, if you're accessing this through the Adobe platform, just do it on the Adobe platform. Now, in Lesson 10, the previous lesson, I discussed NFT development. Lesson 11, which was this one, we introduced the altcoins. And in the next lesson, as I said, I'm going to introduce Binance Coin, BNB. But I always want to thank our sponsors who make this course possible. That includes the Righting Wrongs law firm and also includes whitecollaradvice.com. I run the nonprofit and disseminate information with hopes of helping more people prepare for success upon release. I never ask anybody to do anything that I didn't do. I was in prison for 26 years, and every day I was working to develop new skills that would make sure that when I came home, I wouldn't have to depend on anybody else to support me. I want you to have that same level of independence and liberty. Don't wait for the government to change your life. Learn how to change your own life. Be the CEO of your own life. You can do it just like I did it. But it doesn't happen by accident, and it doesn't happen with happy talk. You've got to truly believe in yourself, just like I believe in you. My name is Michael Santos. Along with my collaborator, Ryan Salem, I want to thank you for being a part of our community, and I want you to reach your highest potential. Go for it. I'm Michael Santos. I believe in you.